Yeah. What's this? Pull it out.
What is it? Go get it. Don't pull any more out. What's in there? What is that? Get it. Do you really need that cup of milk while you're there?
What?
What about this one, Daddy?
What do you got, buddy?
It says Don Carroll, which is arts.
Let me see. I don't want
What?
Why do you like the open?
Because you make me scared. Make me scared.
All right, Maddie, stop it.
Manny, stop it.
What is that?
No, stop. Practice. Teddy.
You want to take those out too?
Okay.
Is that your tractor?
Let me see it.
Yeah. What do you say?
I'm opening it.
Can you say thank you? Mason?